I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What's going on, man? Yeah. Made it out again, man. See, it's always a good thing.
Get around, man.
Yeah, you gotta hit that road, man. Yeah, man, what you done did to it?
Well, we changed the subs. This is the first show they've been to, so it's still kind of breaking in. But we changed them from the Joker V2s to the Joker V3s, and then we went with 3DD audio M4000s wired at 1 ohm each. So
For each set of 4.
Yep. So,
That's all?
Yeah, one set has 1 amp. So yeah, it's real efficient, man.
Yeah, I was as efficient this time, man. I think you had some big amps last time, didn't you?
I had 2 7Ks.
Okay,
last
yeah.
time. So let's see what we got.
How was that ride down here?
It was maybe I went through the mountains apparently.
Yeah.
And I was 70 feet long.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, you took the trailer down through there, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, man. I didn't know. I had no idea. But we made it though.
Shattering glass and tapping asses. This is DJ Rusticles. I don't know.
That's the Audio Ace Joker V315s.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to go check them out. I'm going to tag them down below in the video. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. Yes, sir. Hey, you still rolling? Yeah, you still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.